Alright, this is the proper way to burp your antifreeze in the Subaru WRX or STI. You have this reservoir here. When you replace like the antifreeze inside the radiator or anything, you have to burp the system. So that there's a special funnel that you put in here and you add the antifreeze. So as you can see, all the bubbles are coming out. That's all the air inside the engine. We're just gonna let it run for a few minutes until it stops burping, and if it needs more antifreeze, we can add in more. And that's the proper way to do it. We're gonna make sure the car doesn't overheat, and I'm gonna have a full video about how I add the gasket sealer and everything. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.